Welcome back to Class 3 English Grammar Worksheet 8. Reading. Read this poem. The moon has a face like the clock in the hall. She shines on thieves on the garden wall, on streets and fields and harbor quays, and birdies asleep in the forks of the trees. The squalling cat and the squeaking mouse, the howling dog by the door of the house, the bat that lies in the bed at noon, all love to be out by the light of the moon. But all of things that belong to the day cuddle to sleep to be out of her way. And flowers and children close their eyes till up in the morning the small sun shall arise. Harbor quays means platforms on the sea coast where ships stop. Forks of the trees. Squalling means crying. Fork of the tree means the place where the two branches meet together. Cuddle. Sleep tightly when holding something or someone in your arms. Answer these questions. According to the speaker, what does the moon look like? The moon looks like a clock in his hall. What are the things on which the moon shines? It shines on thieves on the garden wall, streets, fields, harbor quays, and on the birds asleep. Who love to be out by the light of the moon? The squalling cat, squeaking mouse, howling dog, and the bat love to be out by the light of the moon. What are some of the things that belong to the day and go to sleep at night? Flowers and children. Find a word from the poem that rhymes with moon. Write 3 more words that rhyme with moon. Moon, noon, soon, spoon, cartoon, and balloon. Answer these questions in your own words. Why do you think the 4 creatures want to be outside by the light of the moon? Because they love to be outside by the light of the moon. According to the speaker, what are the sounds you hear at night? Can you think of some more? The crying cat, squeaking mouse, howling cat, chirping of a cricket, hooting of an owl, etc. Grammar words. Main verb. Describe an action or a feeling. Bhima is waiting for Bhuthu at the station. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs. Are added to the main verb to show time or to form the tense. Bhima is waiting for Bhuthu at the station. So here is will be an auxiliary verb and waiting will be the main verb. And looking into that, you have to do the circling the main verb here and underline the helping verb. So main verb will be circled and you have to underline the auxiliary verb. Rabia is reading, is and reading. Here in the second one is, you will underline, playing, you will circle. Here we don't have an auxiliary verb. We have directly an main verb. It is visited. Next is. You will underline, riding, you will circle. Is, you will underline, sleeping, you will circle. Plays, you will circle. Next it is complete these sentences with am, is or are and the correct forms of the verbs in the brackets. Abhay is learning Marathi every day. Learn is given. You have to change it to ing and then you will join the word here and you will write it. Is learning. They are buying. Sarita is wearing a hat with feathers. I am writing an email. The bear is standing on 2 legs. The lion cubs are playing with the lioness. Complete this phrasal verb pyramid with the correct words from the box. Look at the meanings in the color for help. Here meanings are given. You will use that and then you will complete the pyramid here. Make, cheer, sit, look, take. Up is given there. Cheer up. To stop the feelings sad and be happy. It's cheer. To stay awake very late. Sit up. Spend time doing something new. Take up. To search for meaning, look something. To say or write something that you have thought for yourself. It's make up. Next it is punctuation. Punctuation. We use comma to separate items in a list or series and before the last item. Aunt Rhea gave me a pencil box, comma, a bag, comma, water bottle and a lunch box for my birthday. And is to separate the items when there are only two of them in a list. Father likes drinking tea and coffee. Now rewrite the sentences by putting commas and adding and in the correct places. I keep my books, comma, toys and stationery in the blue cupboard. Raja keeps the newspapers, comma, the diaries and the magazines on the bottom shelf. There are tomatoes, potatoes, brinjals, pumpkins and carrots in the trolley. Meet my friends Bitty, Bunty, Bitty after comma, Bunty, comma, Pihu and Sunny. Spiders, scorpions and crabs have 8 legs. Kurfi, comma, Almora, comma, Auli and Pyramid are some of the most famous hill stations in India. Here are some rules of relay race. Read the sentence and number them in the correct order. First one is H. Today we will play relay race with 6 teams. Every team will have 4 runners. Second one is B. The runners in each team will stand 5 meters apart from each other. Third one is the first runner will have a newspaper in her hand. Next, fourth one is at the blow of the whistle, the first runner will run towards the second runner, give her the newspaper and take her position. Then fifth one, the second runner will run towards the third runner, give her the newspaper and take her position. Sixth one is the third runner will run towards the fourth runner, give her the newspaper and take her position. Seventh one is the fourth runner will run towards the finish line. And the last one is the team will complete all the passes successfully and cross the finish line first will win the relay race. Now join these sentences and write them as a paragraph. Use linking words wherever necessary. You may use the words in the box. First, then, next, after that, finally. Then you have to write the paragraph like this, children, what is given to you here. Today we will play relay race with 6 teams. Every team will have 4 runners. First, the runners in each team will stand 5 meters apart from each other. The first runner will have a newspaper in her hand. At the blow of the whistle, the first runner will run towards the second runner, give her the newspaper and take her position. Then the second runner will run towards the third. Next, the third runner will run towards the fourth. After that, the fourth runner will run towards the finishing line. Finally, the team will complete and cross the finish line first will win the relay race. Hope you all have understood the worksheet, children. Please do the worksheet neatly. Thank you.